Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Our project title is Online Grocery App using Firebase. Then we saw the abstract of our project. There are many online shopping cart websites and their Android applications available on the internet. These online shopping websites and their Android app run on the simple servers and share the database. The app Android application is integrated with the web server to share the resources and the database. There are the different types of web servers available for the different workflows in the market according to your need. You need to choose the service and customize its service. The Android app that is going to develop have its website built in the grocery e-commerce shopping cart software using is used with the Firebase database to store the data. The objective of the project is develop the online shopping online app, integrated the app with the grocery e-commerce shopping cart. The software running on the Firebase server and the connected to the Firebase database and design the XML of the app for different devices like the phone and tablet. So the customer can easily use the app for online shopping on their device. The theme of the app should be attractive and easy to modify to by the user. So the customer get attracted to this app for online shopping. However, we are going to improve the performance and scalability of the web application. We will analyze with you decided the guideline of the guiding the designs of web application. Flow diagram of our project is first of all the admin is a login screen. The login is login is a default login. Username and password is a default. If you change means coding only changed. Then catalog, add the catalog. Flow diagram of our project is first of all admin. We have the two modules, one is admin and another users. So first of all we see the admin have the login page. The login is the default login ID and password. When the admin enter the login screen, there are the four sections as available. One is the catalog or the catalog, that means the example fruits and vegetables, it's a separate catalog. Then add the product. If I add the product, then choose the catalog, then add the product. Then you can view the user's details. User detail, who are all the registered to the app, so that all the details are showing here. Then can we order the details? View order details. Anyone can order the product, then show here. It's all stored in the Firebase database. Then users have users have registers and login. If you want new user means then register, then login, then go to the first main page of the product. The user can view the catalog and then when they click the catalog and below the catalog we see all the product of below the catalog. Then buy, if you want to buy means buy the product. Then after buying, if you want to see the order history. Now we see the project demo of the project. Then this is the main page of our project login screen. Then this is the register screen. First of all we need to register. I enter Rajesh, name, mobile number, anything, enter. rajesh@gmail.com. Password is 123456. Minimum 6 character to enter to sign up. Then it's opening our. It's not now. This is our main page of our app. In this page all the catalogers that show in this place. And this is the fruit section. Then we display the fruits of our then all the fruits. If example I click the mango means, then click mango is a description and buy options are there. If mango price is 80 and MRP is strike on the 100. If you want to buy means, you can just click and buy. If you want to change our address, edit the address, update, then it's enter all the details of our. Then I enter all the details of our address. The Rajesh phone number. The phone numbers are stored and another enter, then automatically update. If you want to update, click the update button, go to the address page and enter the address. Then you saving address 20 and this mango is 100. Always showing here confirm to buy. If confirm buy, thank you for ordering, go to the order page. If you click the order page, then if your order is showing here. Then this is the order ID, order date, mango, your address, delivery address. This is our user app is finished. Then click log out. Then log out. This is our user app is finished. Then I open the admin app. Wait. This is our admin app. This is admin app has the user's default username and password admin 123456. Enter login. Then you will view the orders history. Like now we added the order history. See here. This is old order. Then this is new order from our side. Number 5 LCM road and another search. Then mango. Now order. Then click add catalog means, then click the just click adding images, anything adding images means click means, then add a catalog, or otherwise add a product means just click beetroot for adding the images. Beetroot item description. Beetroot is a very good for it. Then it's a vegetable or all the catalog is here showing here vegetable, fruits, groceries. Then you note the name and description, MRP and selling price, and select the catalog category. Fruits or vegetables or grocery. We select the vegetables. Then upload. Our data is uploaded successfully. Then we go to the errands rajesh@gmail.com, password 123456, enter. Then we enter the vegetables. See here our beetroot is here. Sorry. Then go to vegetable. They have is adding the beetroot, so in this place. Click. Then we are want to buy. Just buy. Confirm to buy. Go to the order page. Then you will see the here beetroot. Order date and time. Current date and time. see here orders. Our adders here, so here. Then user list. This is a customer's user list. Then your our name is Rajesh. Then here is our name. All the details, customers' names and users, mobile numbers, emails, all shows here. Thank you for watching.